The Zenvo Aurora is one of the most ambitious hypercars of the modern automotive world, designed to redefine performance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Unveiled in 2023 and set to enter production in 2025 with deliveries expected from 2026, this Danish masterpiece represents the pinnacle of engineering and design from Zenvo Automotive. What makes the Aurora so fascinating is not only its outrageous power figures but also its dual personality, available in two versions, the track-focused Agile and the Grand Touring Tour. Each variant has its own character, yet both share the same DNA of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. Limited to only 100 units worldwide, with 50 of each model, the Aurora is destined to be one of the most exclusive hypercars ever built, appealing only to a small group of collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate both extreme performance and meticulous handcrafting. At the heart of the Zenvo Aurora lies an engineering marvel, a 6.6-liter quad-turbocharged V12 engine known as Mjolnir, developed in partnership with Mayhel Powertrain. This is no ordinary engine. It is capable of revving up to 9,800 revolutions per minute while producing an astonishing 1,250 horsepower on its own. What makes it even more remarkable is how Zenvo has integrated hybrid technology into the car, adding up to 3 lightweight electric motors to push total output to an almost unbelievable 1,850 horsepower and around 1,700 Nm of torque. This makes the Aurora the most powerful V12-powered road car in existence, a feat that solidifies Zenvo's position among hypercar legends like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Pagani. While many hypercar manufacturers are moving towards downsized hybridized engines, Zenvo is boldly proving that the naturally thrilling character of a roaring V12 can coexist with modern hybrid innovation. The Aurora is not a one-size-fits-all hypercar. Instead, it is offered in 2 highly distinctive versions to cater to different driving philosophies. The Aurora Agile is the purist's choice, a track-oriented beast with rear-wheel drive, stripped-down interiors, and aggressive aerodynamics. With one electric motor assisting the V12, its power output reaches around 1,450 horsepower, making it lighter and more agile. It weighs less than 1,300 kilograms, giving it a phenomenal power-to-weight ratio. The car generates up to 880 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, ensuring it clings to the track with relentless grip. Acceleration is equally brutal. 0 to 100 km per hour comes in about 2.5 seconds, while 0 to 200 km per hour takes only 4.6 seconds. For enthusiasts who value cornering precision, mechanical grip, and driver involvement above sheer top speed, the Agile is a track day weapon disguised as a road-legal car. On the other hand, the Aurora Tour is designed as a grand touring hypercar, a machine that combines monstrous performance with long-distance comfort. Unlike the Agile, the Tour comes with all-wheel drive and 3 electric motors, pushing the power figure up to the full 1,850 horsepower. Its focus is not purely on lap times but on reaching astronomical speeds while maintaining stability and comfort. The Tour can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.3 seconds, and its top speed is claimed to be an eye-watering 450 km per hour, 280 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest road cars in history. Despite its power and speed, the Tour is designed with smooth aerodynamics to minimize drag and ensure that it glides effortlessly at high velocity. Inside, the Tour is more luxurious, featuring a finely crafted interior that makes it suitable for long drives, albeit at speeds most cars can only dream of. One of the most defining elements of the Zenvo Aurora is its chassis and design philosophy. Built on the ZM1 modular carbon monocoque, developed in collaboration with Managing Composites, the Aurora boasts an advanced structural foundation that not only provides rigidity and safety but also reduces weight dramatically. The design itself is a blend of engineering efficiency and artistic expression, with its exposed carbon elements, aerodynamic curves, and sculpted bodywork that not only look stunning but also serve functional purposes. The Agile is more aggressive in appearance, with open aero ducts, massive wings, and track-inspired elements, while the Tour presents a more elegant yet equally commanding silhouette. Both variants, however, exude a futuristic appeal while staying true to Zenvo's tradition of handcrafted uniqueness. The cockpit of the Aurora further emphasizes its dual nature. The Agile's interior is a no-nonsense, driver-centric environment, focusing on lightweight materials, exposed carbon fiber, and analog-digital hybrid controls that give the driver an intimate connection with the car. Every dial, switch, and display is designed to prioritize functionality and performance. In contrast, the Tour's interior adds more refinement, with premium materials such as Alcantara, fine leathers, and customizable trims. It offers a balance between performance and comfort, allowing the driver and passenger to enjoy long journeys without sacrificing luxury. Regardless of the variant, each interior is handcrafted in Denmark with an obsessive attention to detail, reminding owners that they are not just buying a car but commissioning a work of art. Exclusivity plays a central role in the Aurora's identity. Zenvo has announced that only 100 units will be built globally, with 50 Agile and 50 Tour models. Each car will be hand-built at Zenvo's headquarters in Præstø, Denmark, ensuring a level of personalization and craftsmanship that few manufacturers can match. Given the limited production and the performance on offer, the Aurora commands a staggering price tag of around €2.59 million, over $2.8 million. Despite the high price, interest in the car has been extraordinary. In fact, half of the production run was already reserved within months of its unveiling, particularly in markets like the Middle East where demand for hypercars is exceptionally strong. This exclusivity ensures that owning an Aurora is not just about performance but also about status, rarity, and belonging to a very elite club. From a performance standpoint, the Aurora competes with some of the most extreme hypercars ever made. Its figures put it in the same league as the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, and Hennessy Venom F5. However, what differentiates the Aurora is its dedication to maintaining the spirit of a naturally aspirated V12 while integrating hybrid assistance. Where others are leaning more towards downsized turbocharged engines or fully electric powertrains, Zenvo's Aurora keeps the emotional and visceral appeal of a combustion engine alive. The howl of the V12 at nearly 10,000 revolutions per minute, combined with the instant torque of electric motors, creates a symphony of sound and performance that is likely unmatched by any competitor. It is this blend of tradition and modernity that makes the Aurora a truly special machine. Another remarkable aspect of the Aurora is how it showcases Denmark's rising reputation in the hypercar industry. While countries like Italy, Sweden, and France have long dominated this space, Zenvo is putting Denmark firmly on the map. With the Aurora, Zenvo demonstrates that it has the technical expertise, design vision, and ambition to compete with established names. The car is not only about speed and performance but also about Danish craftsmanship, engineering precision, and innovation. This reflects a broader trend in the hypercar market where smaller boutique manufacturers are challenging giants by focusing on uniqueness, artistry, and bespoke engineering rather than mass appeal. The Aurora also symbolizes the future direction of hypercars. With increasingly strict emission regulations like Euro 7 looming, many feared that the era of the V12 was coming to an end. Yet Zenvo has shown that it is possible to keep the combustion engine alive while integrating hybrid technology to meet modern standards. By doing so, the Aurora serves as both a farewell to pure combustion-powered V12s and a blueprint for the next generation of hybrid hypercars. It captures the emotional thrill of traditional supercars while adapting to the demands of the future. In conclusion, the Zenvo Aurora is not just a car, it is a statement, a fusion of raw performance, cutting-edge technology, and exquisite craftsmanship. Whether in agile or tour form, it offers something few hypercars can. A combination of blistering speed, exclusive design, hybrid innovation, and the timeless appeal of a roaring V12. With only 100 units to be built, it stands as one of the rarest and most desirable cars of the decade. For those fortunate enough to own one, the Aurora is more than a hypercar, it is a piece of automotive history, a collectible that will remain iconic for decades to come. In a world rapidly transitioning to electric vehicles, the Zenvo Aurora boldly reminds us of the passion, artistry, and excitement that only the finest hypercars can deliver.